what's up YouTube fam? My name is Tara Marie. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your natural lashes pop with just using mascara, and I also have some tips and tricks for you to how to grow your natural lashes as well. So if you're interested in how to bump your natural lashes, please keep on watching, and of course do not forget to support your girl, subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment on anything you would like to see me do, and also don't be afraid to go and hop on my Instagram page and visit me there as well and hit that follow button. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so we're gonna be getting our natural lashes popping today. No falsies, no photo effects, no like mumbo jumbo. Like, these are gonna be 100% your lashes, what you got going on. We boosting them up today. Okay, so before I get started in my makeup technique, I wanted to break it down a little bit from the basics. So when I take my makeup off, I do use some Vaseline to, I use my makeup remover, wash my face with the cleanser, and then I'll go in with the tissue and get some of this Vaseline and wipe it along my lash line, and just like wipe it on my lashes also to keep them moisturized, because moisture is always key in growing your lashes. So that is a nice helpful tip and trick to grow your lashes, to get them nice and voluminous for those days where you don't feel like being extra and wearing falsies. That is a great maintenance and healthcare tip to nourish and grow your natural lashes. So now that we've done that part, my first step and recommendation in really popping your natural lashes is to take a spoolie before you do anything else. Grab this spoolie, and what I like to do, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in here so I'm nice and tight, so you get a nice look at what my natural lashes look like. What I'm gonna do is take my spoolie, I'm gonna hold my mirror below me and pretty close so I'm looking down, and I'm gonna push the spoolie from the base of my lashes, and I'm gonna just push it through so that none of my lashes are stuck together, because if your lashes are already stuck together, then when you go in to put on your mascara will likely clump your lashes how they're already naturally clumping. So doing this step will help separate each of those lashes to get them ready for preparation. I don't know if you can tell the difference already from me separating. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on my other eye, starting at the base and bouncing them up and working my way, pushing them in the direction that I would like. So I'm taking on the outer corner, pushing those lashes outward, and as I move in the middle, you would like to push them more directly up, and then when you get to your inner corner, pushing them towards your nose. So now our lashes are nice and fine. I'll go ahead and zoom out just a little bit to give you guys a little bit of space for me. And for today's video, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. This mascara is really comparable to the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I love it. I just love the L'Oreal Voluminous line in general. However, mine is looking a little dingy. I need a new one. So a nice helpful trick if you're running low on your mascara, you can grab some saline solution and drop like one drop. Like, you don't need a whole lot of this. Just take it and drop like one drop in there, and that'll get all of the mascara that's kind of dried up on the side until you renew it. And then I just pump that in there a little bit, give it a nice little swirl, get that saline going. And my brush is now got a nice little, instead of it being dry and sticky, it's now picking up product just like brand new. Helpful trick number 2. All right, so now actually going into your eyelashes. Back up close and personal. Same thing, hold your mirror below you so you're looking down. I'm gonna put my hair out of the way here. So you're looking down and starting at the base and wiggling that wand up. Same way you separated your lashes with the spoolie. Starting at the base and wiggling them up. And really making sure that you are getting a nice, even coat. And I'll go ahead and do one eye completely with all of my tips and tricks just to show you the difference. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do this eye, and you can already see the difference that this mascara has made with just one coat. Sorry, adjust my camera a little bit. And this is only with one coat. And when I do my second coat, I kind of let my first coat dry down just a little bit. Like just a little bit. Just let it dry down a tad there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go back in for coat numero 2 and do that same process. Starting at the base, wiggling it up, and looking down in my mirror. Giving all of my lashes a nice coating. All right. So now that we have our second coat down, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the wand and go slightly behind my lashes, but only on the tip, because if you go down to the base and pull it up, your lashes are gonna clump. I promise you. I don't see how people do that and their lashes don't look ridiculous and clumpy and disgusting after. So just stick to the tip. So I'm gonna go back just on the tip and turn my mascara wand just so that the tips of your lashes are as accentuated as the base. And I'll just go ahead and do that. And then I go back and coat them on the front again. And then if you find that your lashes are still maybe clumping a little bit, I know especially with people with, you know, naturally long lashes already, they may try to clump up on you still. So what I recommend there is just to grab a pair of tweezers and stick them in there and just separate your lashes from there. So now you can see the difference between my eye with and without the mascara. And I think, I feel like it's a pretty dramatic difference myself. So, and then if I back up, you can even tell when the camera is zoomed out how much of a difference it makes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my other lash, and then I'll be right back, and I'll just put a single layer, nothing fancy, on the bottom lashes, and then I will be right back. So I am back and I went ahead and put some mascara on my other eye. And so now you can really see the difference in what this mascara does. And then just to finish it up, after everything is nice and dry, I go in one more time, but this time I'm not as neat with it. And I just quickly just do one more quick sweep across both lashes just to give them like that extra little fluff. Fill it in on the back wherever I feel like it needs it. And then we're done. Simple as that. And then for this makeup look, I just went super neutral, super natural for this as well. And for all of you more natural leaning makeup gurus, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.